Hey everyone, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV. I want to show you this new Georgetown. It's a 31 R5F. Great model. We got our driving space up here. Of course, our table and our bed that comes down here. This also turns into a bed, so perfect for the family. We can sleep quite a few people here. Lots of counter space here, triple burner stove, large refrigerator. Nice big bed, lots of good storage here in the master bedroom. Of course, the bathroom, lots of storage here as well. Alright, let's take a look outside. So automatic steps, of course. Outside entertainment with our automatic awning. We have slide toppers, of course. If you have any questions about this motorhome, be sure to give us a call at the number above. We'd love to take you for a test drive, show you more around. There's a backup camera here. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.